going on, Lucy? Hmm? What's going on? What's going on, Goosey? Hmm? Don't worry about the cats. You would think that she's okay. The way she's chasing after the cats. What's going on, Lucy? Hmm? Lucy's out on the deck at High Point Animal Hospital. They won't even let her in because she's got the cough. Huh, Lucy? Huh? Lucy, you got to stay out on the deck because you got the cough. It's a nice deck, isn't it, mister? Lucy's got the cough, so she's got to get a cough medicine and she's got to get some antibiotics. Right, Goose? Right, Goosey? Oh, Lord have mercy. Lucy's got the cough. Kennel cough, as it were. We're going to get it cleared right up. She's got her tongue hanging out. She's wore out. That little run around in the back 40 really wore her out. Huh, Lucy? Now you gotta recover from it. Right, Goats? Right, Goatsy? Yes. It's all right. It's all right, Lucy. It's all right. It's all right, Lucy. Oh, she caught sight of something. She might have been out in back 40. About 15 minutes. 15, 20 minutes. Lucy's on antibiotics and cough medicine 3 times a day for the kennel cough. Antibiotics every 12 hours, cough medicine every 8 hours, and I've also still been giving her honey, a home remedy for the cough. I found it on Google, and that seemed to help her over the weekend. She's only been on the medicine for 24 hours. Hopefully it'll start helping her get some of her energy back. But the doctor said her lungs and her heart sounded good. It was all good. Kennel cough, huh? I think we've just about been through it all with this girl. I hope anyway. I hope we're done. I'll go to. Just gotta get her well. It's what we get for trying to take her, to doggy daycare. We just wanted to be able to take her to doggy daycare so that she can socialize and she can be with other dogs, and I guess it happens. She's been vaccinated. They're very strict about their vaccination there. So she was vaccinated for kennel cough and ended up getting it anyway. I guess it's like the flu. There's different strains of it. So the vaccination can't protect them against all of the different viruses. So she's got to stay home from doggy daycare for 2 weeks. Greasy. Who would have thunk it?